Can a baby recover for injuries that happened before they're even born? The answer is, in many states, yes. Let's say a pregnant woman's involved in a serious car accident, and then months later, her baby is born with medical complications. Can that child have a legal claim? Potentially, yes. If the evidence shows that the accident actually caused injuries to the unborn child, many states recognize a claim once that child is born alive. Now, let me tell you about one of my own cases. So my client was in a serious car accident. It was very early in her pregnancy. And later in the pregnancy, she developed complications, what was called a placental abruption. Her baby was ultimately born prematurely and then spent months in the NICU. And at first glance, even me, I thought, well, the accident must have caused it, right? But that's not how these cases work. In litigation, we hired a medical expert to answer that exact question. And after reviewing all the records, our expert unfortunately concluded that the pregnancy was simply too early when the crash occurred for the accident to have caused that placental abruption, and that led to the premature birth. So in other words, just because two events happen close together doesn't necessarily mean one caused the other. And that's why these cases often come down to expert testimony and not assumptions. So yes, an unborn child may have a legal claim if an accident causes injuries before birth, but proving causation is often the hardest part of it. And that's true in almost every personal injury case.